All right, it's Mr. KV, and we're back on 6.4. Now we're trying number 2. We're still working with models, and our job is to first translate the model and then solve the equation. So we've got number 2a. Let's work on that one. Over here we've got 8 red tiles, so that's simply 8 equals 4x. And then what do we have? We have negative 8. We have 8 negative tiles. All right, so where do we go from here? Well, we want to get rid of this negative 8 over here. So to do that, we can add 8 to both sides, right? So we can go add 8 over there. And we can write 4x minus 8 plus 8 over here as well. Let me stretch that out. Okay. Is that making sense? So what we've done is we've added 8 to both sides. Okay, let's keep going. Now over here we have 16 equals 4x. Now we can divide each side by 4, and that's going to give us x. 16 divided by 4 equals 4x divided by 4. Now that gives us 4 equals x. All right, so that's our answer for 2a. Let's look at 2b. I'm going to move this over here. That gives me more room to work. Okay. So now, let's look at this model here. We've got 5 white tiles. That's negative 5 equals negative x. And we've also got the numbers. So we always put the numbers first. So we've got 3 positive tiles. That's 3 negative x. Let me think that through here. Negative x. I'm going to write... No, you know what? I led you astray there. That is negative x plus 3. I heard Danilo say, are you working on the same problem? Oh, okay. So, we only have negative 3x if there are multiple negative x's here, and there are not. There's just one. So how do we get rid of this positive 3? Well, we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. So we write negative 5 minus 3 equals negative x plus 3. Copy the equation and then add minus 3. So see what I did? I've added negative 3 to both sides. Now here, what do we do when we put a negative 5 together with a negative 3? That gives us negative 8. Over here, negative x plus 3 minus 3, that gets rid of the 3's entirely. So that gives us negative x. Now, we know that negative 8 equals negative x. And that means that x equals 8. If negative x is negative 8, then it makes sense that positive x would be positive 8. So we're at our answer, and that's how we solve 6.4, number 2.